Hi everyone, welcome to Lopo TV. This is Vanessa. Today I'm so happy to be here to release our newest mug tumbler heat press GS205B Plus. You may wonder why we are going to release a new tumbler heat press when we already have GS205B, which could be used to do a full format printing on a variety of stainless steel tumblers, including 20-ounce and 30-ounce tumblers. There's nothing could be done perfect, but there's always a way that could lead us to be better is what we believe. With such commission, we never stop chasing a better way or a better solution for the customers. That is the main reason why we could develop GS205B Plus, which is with better structure and could bring more convenience to the personalized tumbler fans. Okay, let's focus on the machine. I will lead you to understand all the details of it. Firstly, the machine would be offered with a 30-ounce mug heater. It can be used to print all types of cylindrical mugs and tumblers, including 30-ounce stainless steel tumbler, 11-ounce ceramic mugs, and 15-ounce ceramic mugs. Meanwhile, you can also change the mug heater to print other sizes and shapes of mugs. We have developed one conical mug heater. It can be used to print 450 ml stainless steel tumbler, and our popular shaker bottles. Besides, we could develop any size and shapes of mug heater upon your request. In a word, GS205B Plus is a real one-for-all mug press for all the die-sub mug and tumbler decorators. Secondly, I would like to share the detailed parts which had been updated. The longer structure of the whole machine, to pressure adjust knob with 8 screws to fix the heater. All of these changes could be managed to let the 30-ounce heater be well organized and can make sure the heater would have even and higher pressure during printing. There is a sublimated aluminum insert which can manage to do customized logo very easily and almost without any MOQ. 3 colors for your choices: pink, light blue, and of course our galaxy color, black and green. Thirdly, let's do the printing demos. Today we will show you 2 printing demos. We will do a full format printing on 30-ounce tumbler. The other demo is for printing 2 15-ounce ceramic mugs at one time. The first printing demo is the full format printing of 30-ounce tumbler. Taking one 30-ounce tumbler to adjust the pressure on the machine. Then turn on the machine to set the printing temperature and the printing time. 175 degrees Celsius and 20 seconds. The next step is wrapping the paper. Now the temperature reaches to starting temperature. Put the tumbler into the machine. Close the handle. When the time is up, the first printing is done. Then turn around the tumbler. Wait for the temperature drop to 170 degrees Celsius. Close the handle to do the second printing. Time is up. Let's check the printing result. Now we will show you the printing demo of print 2 50-ounce ceramic mugs at one time. Now let's do the printing. Set the machine at 195 degrees Celsius and 60 seconds. Put the bottom of the two marks inward, and there should be a gap between the two marks. Close the handle. And start the printing. Time is up. Let's check the printing result. Thank you for your time with us to release GS205B Plus Mark Press. One for all is what we aim to. Again, there's nothing could be done perfect, but there's always a way that could lead us to be better. Making the most user-friendly and profitable heat press is our Galaxy Press target with. We do welcome you to try our machine and appreciate your feedback, because customers' feedback is the best way to lead us to be better. If you are interested in our machine, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team. We will provide you more information. Enjoy sublimation and have fun with GS205B Plus. Bye-bye.